Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another script log. This is episode 15. My name is your German scientist, otherwise known as Ninjishua, and I am a scripter for the Roblox group Refined Gentlemen. Recently I've been working on a game, not going to reveal the name, but I've gotten some serious progress done. Just to recap, I've made a keycard system, so I will show this off. So if I have a keycard minimum level 1, and obviously you can see the keycard is level 1, dum, dum, dum. But if I try the keycard level 1 on the level 3, it doesn't work, so I have to get the level 3, and it opens, see? And then I'm just going to put these up in my inventory. Alright. And I'm going to fix that with the final product, but yeah. So, recently, what have I been up to? I have been up to making I've been up to making a dialogue, right, with NPCs. So we're going to get right into it, literally just ram it in. We're going to get this done, right? So dialogue GUI, let's see, I need to know what this looks like. So background transparency 0. Where do you fit in? Okay, visible, yes. Alright. Dialog box. Alright, so I'm actually going to scale this down a little bit. And I'll make it like that. Yeah, alright. And then, yeah, alright. That is better. And I will explain why I did that in just a little bit. Bum, bum, bum. Alright. Now, if you remember from yesterday's episode, I was very close and all I had to do was connect this to, I don't remember, oh yeah, dialog module display text. So we're going to get dialog module real quick. So local dialog module is equal to require, whoa, why can I not spell? Baby, yeah, apple. Events is, wait, I just gotta check. Events, yes it is under, so I can say require script up parent. Alright, so now I can say dialog module display text, and then I give it strings. Alright, so if I did this correctly, hello, I am a test bot. Wow, that was way too slow. Alright, so we're gonna do that instead. Boom. Hello, I am a test bot. Still a little too slow. So we'll bump up the speed just a little bit. See if it works at all. Now it's a little too fast. Oh my goodness. I'm like back and forth on this. I'm just trying to adjust it so it works properly. Alright. Hello, I am a test bot. Okay. Yeah, see now this works. Okay. So now we need a way to close the dialogue. So what I'm going to do is inside of Starter GUI, and here I'm going to make this visible real quick. And then I'm going to make a text button. Or no. Actually, I'm going to make, what else can I do? Image button. Here we go. Alright, so I drag the image button like here. I make it pretty small. Not too small, but still pretty small. Center it up in the corner that it's not perfect, but who cares? Go into my handy dandy plugins and scale this. Or I also need to add a constraint to it. Whoa. Alright. So now, what I can do is, in the image button, I just need to give it an image. So, what we do is we have to go into Toolbox. One second, and then we'll search up red X. And we're going to look for images. This will do. So I'm going to copy the asset ID and then find the image. Or we'll say we actually, okay, I'm going to view in browser real quick. How to reference a decal in Roblox Studio. Okay. Here we go. So it's going to be RBX asset. And then copy asset ID. Whoa, what? Oh, okay, I can just copy that then and then get rid of view. And then here, we do this. And then I know that doesn't look very good right now, but I will be changing it. So, UI corner. Then I'm going to make the dialog box just slightly darker. Yeah, okay. So now this image button, it's going to be called a close button. It's going to have a local script in it that is going to literally just close everything out. So we're going to make a new function. It's going to be called, you guessed it, close dialog. Well, actually, you might not have guessed that. My bad. Alright. Oh, dialog module. Whoops. Dialog module. And then in here, since I really don't want to get anything, I'm just going to do okay, we actually need to do, oh wait, we have the dialog GUI. So for dialog GUI, oh wait, no, for index, no, we don't need the index, so we say for underscore, comma, value, space value in iPairs, and then we do dialog GUI, colon, get children, do, if value is and this is going to be very long, so we have to do for, right, we do image button or We gotta do a lot of value is, so you have to pardon me. Is, let's see what else. Text label. Or, do we need any other ors right now? No, we'll say, okay, then. And we do value.visible is equal to false. Alright. So, now what we have to do is we have to do dialog box.visible is equal to true. We also have to do, so local close button is equal to dialog GUI wait for child close button. Alright, now what we do is we just say the same thing about close button as we did in dialog box. .visible is equal to true. Alright, now if we click it, because never mind. What am I doing? Still didn't connect it to anything. So where's this local script? Okay, here it is. So we'll say close dialog script. And in here we do local button is equal to script.parent. Then we do button dot activated connect function. We don't need to get anything. We just have to do. Oh, what we do have to do, however, is to get the module. So this is going to be a little bit more tricky. Can we do local player is equal to game.players? What am I saying? Players.local player, and then we do player wait for child. Oh wait, no. Can we just do player scripts? Yes, we can. So we'll say local module, local dialog module is equal to player scripts dot dialog dot local dialog module. And then we got to do a require. So require. Alright, now what we do is we do dialog module dot, and then we do close dialog, and then we just end it off. Alright, so if I did this properly, click it, it disappears. Wow. Hit this, it comes back up. Wow. Alright. Cool. So now what we do is we make both of these invisible. And we play around with this a little bit more. So the next thing we have to do is make an area for, so we're going to need a frame. So that also means we can actually do for, we can take the same for loop. You know what? Let's actually make, let's make yet another function. We're going to call function dialog module. We'll do dialog visibility. We'll call this one dialog visibility. Dialog visibility, right? And here's what we're going to do. We're going to say or value is frame. Okay, so now what we do is we say we need to get boolean. Oh, no. We'll say close. I can't. I'll just say change. So now we're going to say if change is equal, if change then, no, we'll say if change is equal to open, then else, now we have that. So if we're opening it, then, oh, why can't I drag this into here? Okay, now I have that. Then I copy it. Oh, nope, didn't mean to. Okay, alright. Let me do that. And then visible is equal to true. Alright, so then now that we have the change here, what we can do instead is, instead of, we'll say close for the close dialog, but it now has to be dialog visibility. So take this and we say dialog visibility, right? I'm going to quickly copy this just to make sure I did this exactly right. Yep. Alright, so now instead of what we can do up here in dialog module display text is we can do function, we'll say dialog module dialog visibility, and then we send through open, right? So now what we just did is we fixed it, kind of. Okay, yep. Hello, I'm a test bot. Close it. Boom, boom, biggity bop, pow. What I don't understand now about modules is you can reference a function that isn't even in the script. You know what? I'm not gonna worry about that. So now it is time to make the frame, and you may be asking, why am I making a frame? And I will answer you. I don't know. Now I do know. So basically, if you remember from the hotbar, I had a, wait, let me make this non-transparent real quick. 0. If you remember from the hotbar, I had a frame that contained something that organized all the different things, all the different options and such, or all the inventory pieces, right? And that allowed me to, make it centered and stuff and make it look good and nice. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing the same thing for the options that should be provided. So I'm going to call this option frame. Then what I'm going to do, okay, yeah, all right. So I'm going to get a UI list layout. Then in here I'm going to do, I'll say a little bit of padding, not too much. All right. Then fill direction horizontal, center, layout order. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the hotbar because we don't need it anymore. Now what I need to do is I need to make a text button, and that looks disgusting. That looks absolutely gnarly, so I'm going to make it like that instead. Make it just a little bit smaller. We'll say 150. Then I convert this into scale. Same thing with the option frame. Oh, I love this. The unit conversion plugin is literally the backbone of everything I do, so if you want to check that out, please do. It's very nice. So now I call this dialog button. I'm going to put this into replicated storage along with the button template. So now I have the dialog button, and I'm going to make this option frame transparent, not invisible. Alright, so now what we do is in the dialog module script, we need wow, how long is this video already? 20 minutes? Okay, that's not too bad. So now what we are going to do is figure out what in the heck we are going to do. So the dialog sensor, it's going to retrieve data and give it the dialog module test NPC, right? We need the option. So what we also need is okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it return two different values. So I need to make it local option array is equal to nothing right now. And then I gotta say so option 1 is equal to, we'll just say text 1 is equal to yes, no. Or, yeah, okay, so yes, no. Text 2 is equal to okay. Text 3 is equal to okay. Alright? So I'm going to print out option array dot text 1. So if all goes well, yes. Oh dear, I can't. Okay. No, I can't do that. So oh wait, no, I can do this. I just gotta make this its own little array, right? Okay. So if I did that correctly, I go up, Yeah, it's an array of yes and no. Okay, cool. So now I have the option array. Okay, we'll say you can say okay and close. Right? Oh, but we also need information on what to do with each of the individual options, right? I mean, what to say after. I really have to think. I'm sorry, people. You know what? We'll figure things out as we go. Okay? So, we're not going to worry about this just yet. So we're going to do return value, and then an option array, um, index. Alright. So now in the event? No, wait, where am I going? Oh yeah, I am. So I'm getting dialog module test NPC, and this is going where? Dialogued. It's being triggered on client event. It's going to receive that. It's going to receive strings as well as options. So I'm going to send through options. Then in here, I'm getting options, and then I'm going to say print options. So if I did this correctly, which I might not have, nil. So I didn't do it correctly. Mm. Hello, I am a test bot nil. What? So it is actually going through, but it... What? Oh my gosh. I see why. We gotta do text, and then dot dot, index. Here we go. Alright. So now if I click this man. Yes, 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 yes! Okay. I'm getting somewhere. So now I don't need to print anything. Now I have the options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do for index value in options do, and then we do local option is equal to oh, we gotta do the dialog button. So in we'll say right after the player local dialog button is equal to game.replicated storage dot. Now I'm actually going to make this a variable inside of here. So I'll do local dialog button is equal to game.replicated storage dot dialog button clone. Now I say, oh no, I have to make this we have to put this inside of the for loop. Okay, and then I say dialog button dot parent is equal to, oh, I have to do even more. Hold up. I have to get the option frame as well, so I'll say local option frame is equal to dialog GY, yes? Yeah, okay, dialog GY, wait for child, and then I say option frame. Then what I do is I say dialog button dot, oh no, dot parent is equal to option frame. Alright, so if I did this right, what should happen is that I click this. Oh, what in the world? Why did it do that? Oh, the padding. The padding, it's always the padding. Darn it. 0 dash 0, okay. So, yeah, it's offset. My goodness. We'll say an offset of like 10. Alright, so if I did this right, well, I'm a test bot, button. Cool. We have that. Sorry, my mic just went out. Apologies. So dialog button dot text is equal to value. Yes. Yes, no. Yes, no. Alright, we're getting somewhere here. Then I say dialog button dot layout order is equal to index. So now what I've successfully done is make dialog and then have two option frames, or options, right? And I close it out, and then it's completely gone. Wow, how exciting. Click it again. Oh, that is an issue. Okay. So, what we gotta do here for the close, where is it? Oh yeah, dialog visibility. So, we do all of that, and then we say if value dot parent is equal to, and then we say option frame. So no, we gotta say, we'll just do option frame like that, and then we say and value is a text button, then value colon destroy. And see, the reason I'm doing this is, the reason I'm doing and value is a text button is to make sure that the UI list layout isn't destroyed in the process. So I'm going to get rid of this here. I click this, hello, I am a test bot. Wah, bam. Oh, still doesn't work. So what is a body to do? Can I print? Print value. Okay. Let's see. Oh man. No, it's not printing. It should be though, but it's not. Okay. So we'll no. Okay. So we say if value is a frame. So we're doing a separate one. This might seem redundant, but then print value. You'll see why I'm doing this in a second. Womp. Option frame. So, you know what? We'll just do a separate thing for option frame. We'll say option frame. Ooh. Wait a minute. Oh, so we'll say else. We'll say, okay, so down here we'll say if if value dot if value is equal to option frame, then for index, no, we don't need the index, so underscore comma value is in I pairs, and then we say option frame get children do if no, we can't. We gotta say value 2. Value 2. No, value 2. Okay. If value 2 is equal to oh, wait, no. If value 2 is and then we say text button, then value 2 destroy. Right now, if I did this correctly, if I go up to this man and I do that, get rid of it, go back, it's gone. Yep. Alright, so now we have a little bit of dialogue here, which is pretty darn cool. So, now our newest issue, our newest problem. What is are these supposed to do, right? What do we need to ask the server about these? So we need to give it the text label information, so what's in the text label, and then we also have to get, oh, where am I? Starter GUI, dialog box. Okay, so we're going to give it the string, what the player is seeing, and then what option they choose, and then based on that, we're going to give it new dialog and new stuff, right? So the question is if I do it here, right? I don't know. I truly don't know. If I give it answer, we'll say wait, why am I doing text? I can just do this and then be okay, right? Because then I can just, right, if I do that, uh, yeah, it still works. Alright, that was like a super easy fix. It just saved me a little bit of time. Alright, so ay. Oh, don't mind what you just saw. You saw nothing. You saw absolutely nothing. I think we're going to end this episode off here just for the mere fact that I can't think of what to do, so the problem will be solved tomorrow. Okay, oops, sorry. Back into here. I will finally be doing the day thing, so let's see, day one was, I gotta go back into my channel content, hold up, permanent first person, so that was episode 10, so that would be day 1, 10, day 2, 11, day 3, 12, day 4, oh my goodness, 13, day 5, 14, day 6, so day 6 worked on option text. Alright. Finally did it. Okay, and then, of course, like always, I will finally be making the smiley face box. So, where's the shape? Oh, here we go. Alright, make a box, and inside of this box, we get our first teeny tiny smiley face. He's gonna be just a normal, average, everyday guy. So, as always, I end this video off usually like this. I just want to say, again, very appreciative of every single person who has joined me in this journey, even if, you know, it's a small contribution, it's still something that I greatly appreciate. So I just wanted to start off by thanking you guys because honestly, you guys are the reason why I devote myself to scripting and why I'm consistently uploading. It's because I want to make sure that other people have content and also to keep myself, you know, accountable. So, like always, I'm going to zoom in a little bit because I'm a happy boy. I just wanted to end this video off by saying, let's see, I'm going to get my copy of Sun Tzu out here. I'm going to do this is how I'm going to end off my videos from now on. I love Sun Tzu. I'm just trying to find a good one here. Ah, here. So, one who excels in employing the military does not conscript the people twice or transport provisions a third time. Now, what he means by this is if one goes back to something again and again and again and drains the resources out of one thing, it can seriously impact the quality or how much that thing it wants to be done. And how I like to interpret it is just vary up yourself a little bit. Keep yourself diverse. make everyday life a new challenge. Don't do the exact same thing or hammer too hard on the exact same project. Everyone needs breaks, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.